And is there any trigger during the whole, meet and greet that made you realize that I think as Hannah, I'm doing a good job with this vendor?
Oh, of course. There's a lot of stress and anxiety, like you mentioned earlier, around these renewals. And I know that I'm not the expert when it comes to renewing. So I think, we just had a lack of clarity around what was on our contract. And you helped bring that to our attention. But yeah, we knew we wanted to work with an expert, someone that could understand and help us understand what we're paying for. And then find out if we actually have the bandwidth to internally optimize it and use it. So that was really important to us. And we knew that we couldn't do that alone. So we were excited to partner with you.